Hi, I'm Eve Simone. I thought I'd make a video about how to vibrato because one of my subscribers who plays a double bass doesn't know how to vibrato yet. So I thought I'd make this video for her and for any of you who might find this helpful. And please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and shorts and comment and get involved and help me create a community. So vibrato. And I want to apologize in advance because my setup here is I have my cell phone on a tripod, so the filming is not great here. So just, you may have to use your imagination in parts of this. But in general, the idea when you're learning is, let's say I'm going to play this note A on the G string. Here's no vibrato. So you'll notice my left hand is not moving. So to start learning vibrato, you want to think about playing the note, and then you're moving your hand below the note and back up to the note. Now, if you move your hand above the note, you risk sounding like you're sharp. But let me show you this motion slowly. And this comes over time, many months, maybe even years, depending on, how it's going for you. Notice with lower notes like that A, or let's even try this B down here on the A string. With a lower note, you can have a wider movement of your hand, and for a higher note, you can have a much smaller movement of your hand, and that controls the oscillation, and you'll tell it makes a difference, and also the style you're aiming for. So let me try that B. See? Slowly, learning it, more normal, second nature. And you'll notice my whole hand, arm, shoulder, everything moves. Now on other instruments like the violin, they have what's called finger vibrato, and they just move their fingers. But it's a whole different thing. On the double bass, we tend to move more just because, the instrument's really big, and it's helpful to do that. Let's talk about vibrato and thumb position. Here's the A again, no vibrato. Now I'm going to rotate back and forth in the learning mode. So you can see the more I move my hand back and forth, it changes the sound. So I'll do it the different tempos. Slow. Faster. Faster. So that's just a short demo on vibrato. Drop me any questions you have about this. Like I said, I think when you're first starting out, I would recommend, you can try it in first position, just slowly but surely, And then you try it faster. 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 And actually, down here in the lower positions, you don't even need to play the vibrato as fast as you would in the upper positions, if you get my drift. So yeah, leave me a comment if you have any questions, any advice for people learning vibrato. Yeah, let's get the conversation started. Bye now.